Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Yo,
And okay, so I'm Rotractor Samir MG. I'm the Joint Secretary of Rotaract Club of SIS Nehru College, RID 3142.
hello guys. This is Rotractor Sandeep Rao, Secretary of Rotaract Lab of SIS College Nerur for the year 2021, RI District 3142.
Thank you so much, Samir and Sandeep, for joining us today. So we'll be asking you all four questions, and you all can choose however you all want to answer it. So I'll start. So how has your journey as secretariat been till now?
Okay, so I'll start with it. So during the start of the year, it was like, how are you gonna manage it online? And because TeamSec is something, we go on ground, we check the attendance, we go out for the meetings and all. And we really didn't have that vibe on that start of the year. But then eventually when we started, meeting people online, and somewhat it became more like a lifestyle now. So now usually whenever we
Hmm.
tell people to just come on call and all, they usually prefer Zoom over meeting now because it saves time and all. So yeah, so year start it was like, will I do it or not? Will it be fun or not? But then coming to an end, meeting other secretaries from other clubs and making that bonding just through the online phases. So it was pretty much awesome, and I'm looking forward for the coming months also.
Okay, so my secretariat journey for that till now has been like in at the initial stages. I was like, how will we manage to do online? Because when our core team was formed, we had already decided what all offline events we would plan to do, but well, we didn't expect lockdown to happen. So whatever we had planned, all just went away. So now we were like, अभी ऑफलाइन को ऑनलाइन कैसे करे, कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाए. Then we started trying out new apps. Like first we started with Google Duo, then we came to know that capacity is only 10. Then somehow Zoom, but then Zoom has one thing that only first meeting is free, which you get unlimited. Then rest all the meetings are to 40 minutes. And you all know that GBM मीट BOD मीट 40 मिनट्स में होने वाला नहीं है. It takes time. Then हम लोग recurring करके फिर अभी वो आदत हो गई है. Then again फिर, but the one thing good thing about online thing is we could interact more. We made more online friends and वो bond ज़्यादा strengthen हो गया online की वजह से. Offline में इतना नहीं होता था. लास्ट एज अ क्लब सर्विस देखते मेरे इतने कॉन्टेक्ट नहीं है जितने आज ये ईयर एज अ सेक्रेटरी हुआ.
True, true, absolutely. So moving on to the next question. What new things have you bought in this year as team secretariat, and how is your work divided?
Okay, so new thing will be that last year usually how it goes, if the member from our home club members, if they went to any other club event, so usually they tend to give it after 1 day or 2 day, exactly on that event, or they'll give the names to team secretariat. But then we thought it was too hectic because every day people will message, and sometimes we might miss them, and sometimes we might not reply. So it was getting more hectic. So what we did this year is we decided a day. So it was Friday. So usually what we did every Friday, we used to draft a message and we used to send it on the GBM group. So usually it had all the, like, basically it was basically what ambassador is and how are you going to represent it to team sec. So we drafted in such a way that even if someone new has joined the club and he sees the message, he will definitely know what is to be given and how is it to be given. So we kept that, and every Friday, as usual, we send that message around 9 to 10 p.m. because that's the suitable time when every event are almost over. So we would weekly update like that. And next thing is that we also made individual groups. So because everything was online, we didn't have anything on hand. So we usually had docs or excels and all. So what we did is we made a different group. So only me and Sandeep were there. So we had a group named meetings. We had a group named ambassadorial. So all the ambassadorial message which we received, we sent it to that group only, so that that we can keep our personal messages and Rotaract very differently. And for the meeting also, we sent all the confirm minutes on that group only, so that whenever we need it further, so we can just open the group and check it itself.
So as you all know, our club is institution-based club. So we have to do two reporting. One goes to the Pranali and one goes to the college for NAC thing. So I do the reporting in Pranali and Samir handles all the college related stuff. Also, there's one more thing as ambassadorial and registration. So I handle all the thing related to ambassadorial and Samir does all the thing related to adding members. So we equally divide. Unlike last year, like instead of getting mixed up and confused, we are now fixed that we know what all to do, who has to do what, uh, who has to report in ambassadorial and who has to add members. So there's no confusion in this.
That's a really nice idea. I really like the WhatsApp idea. The
Yeah, I
individual
was
groups
just
that
about
they
to say
have.
the same thing. Otherwise, you have to keep scrolling up and
Scrolling,
see
yeah.
find the minutes.
It's a great idea. I think we should try and implement this.
Yeah, please consider this.
We have still 1 month, so yeah, we can implement it. Okay, so moving on to the next question. What are the differences in the online situation as compared to the offline situation? You can talk about both pros and cons.
Okay, so firstly, I just hope next year will be offline. So I don't know how many cons or pros there, but I would prefer offline anytime. But yeah, speaking on that, pros I would say working online is we have less paperwork. Like I mentioned before, we don't have to print out attendance and all. We just have to download sometimes. It has that feature on the app, or we have registrations, so we could easily get the paperwork done more efficiently because of online. So that could be one of the pros. And next thing I would say is attendance. So right now, if it was offline, so people usually, if it's inside our zone, we usually go. But then it's on other zone, and the places, the locations are pretty much far. So we tend not to go, and we can't just tell anyone to go because it depends on the person only. So, but this year because it was online, so majority of the people have went, to different events and all, and they have made new friends. So that could be considered as one of the pros. And speaking on the cons, so one con that comes with the pros, so attending more events, obviously more ambassadorial for us. So that is one of the cons that we face, because year start only when installations were there, and installation is something very important. And due to online, we almost had to attend everything because we were comfortable at our home itself. So ambassador was one thing which me and Sandeep, were, how will we do it and how will we divide it, because there was so much.
Like
And next thing that could be is physical presence, because no matter how big or how small is the event, when someone is watching it online and when someone is sitting in front of you and acknowledging it, so that is something, that vibe gives a different vibe there. So I think, physical presence is lacking online, because usually people just, they just join in and sometimes they turn off the camera, like they are there, but then they're not really there. So that's the thing.
So, according to me, one pro thing about being online is you can attend any event, any meeting, or whatever district event it is at your own home comfort. You can eat, you can chill out in AC and like get up at your own time and just log into your computer. But with pros, I think mine were more of cons because we obviously 2 years have done more of offline events. So obviously online events are a little bit hectic. So according to what Samir said is you can क्या बोलते हैं regarding attendance. So the thing is, not every app supports Excel sheet, and also at times you have to register every member on your own by writing or by making notes in your on your mobile. And the thing is कि Zoom में you don't know कब एक बंदा आता है कब वो चला जाता है वो तो ठीक है अब आप जैसे आप अभी MS Teams यूज करोगे वो लोग रजिस्टर करके लॉग आउट करके रजिस्टर करके लॉग आउट जाता है तो व्हेन यू डाउनलोड द एक्सेल you will see multiple entries. So वो select करके cancel out करना it's too hectic. The second con would be technical glitches. अभी event must flow में जा रहा है and then suddenly boom किसी का light चला गया किसी का sharing में ये problem हो गया तो वो ठीक है एटलीस्ट when your speaker session में होता है but when you're playing background music and all and बीच में वो if someone is performing someone is singing वो फिर अटक के आवाज आता है या फिर हाई पिच होता है, तो वो बहुत इरिटेटिंग होता है. एंड फिर अभी लास्ट वुड बी दैट, अब कितना 10 महीना 11 महीना हो गया है ऑनलाइन इवेंट्स करके, बहुत मोनोटोनस हुआ है. सेम चीज करके सेम जूम में उठ के करना. नाउ मोर ऑफ ऑफलाइन इवेंट्स चाहिए. And then the thing, one more con is that asking GBM to come every now and then. ऑफलाइन इवेंट में तो भी यू कैन टेल देम कि हाँ ये है इधर, अभी एटलीस्ट उनको इंस्टॉलेशन बोल सकते हो कि खाना मिल रहा है. इधर 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 वो तो वो बोल सकते हो, खुद आके लॉग इन करना रहता है.
एक और कौन है, एम आई ऑडिबल वाला ये लाइन थक गए ये सुनते सुनते.
I agree.
No.
Okay, so moving on to the last question. What is your favorite part or favorite memory about this year?
Okay, so this year, start May, it was very slow. So nobody really knew what was going to happen for the next month or next 2 months. So it was just, people were going with the flow. But then eventually one day, all of a sudden, the district announced that we're going to have red. So red was something, which was like at that moment of time, the person who has never even performed any cultural event, even for him, it was an opportunity just to get out of the, to get out of his comfort zone or his home, because people over social media, they were sharing stories, they're learning new things, they're developing new skills, they're gaining new knowledge. But the only thing that we were gaining is the weight. So that was something, that we actually, that was one moment which we really were very happy. And so we went for practices and all, and we met new people there, and the ones we cherished over, the online meetings and all, we actually met them as a person, and it was not like, yeah, finally we met. Yeah, we never thought we were going to meet. And eventually the practice were over and the big day came, and I am very proud because I won an award also. So I had the runner-up trophy for live reporting. So yeah, it was a great week for that matter of time, and I really enjoyed that moment.
So for me, my favorite event or memory would be the first offline event which I attended was Meet and Munch. So like from July to December, almost end of January सब online था online था. फिर at the end of January में जब भी सब थोड़ा restrictions ये कम हुआ, so we had just decided that BOD and coach should meet once because we have never met apart from being online. So usually from last year we had an event known as Meet and Munch wherein it's like a potluck, घर से सब डब्बा लेके आते हैं and we just share. तो फिर anything over food is always fun. So वो एक है. And the second thing about is Red. Last year I was a dance participant in Red, तो like dancing in front of 100 and 500 तो वो अलग feeling है. But this time because of exams and all, I just went as a spectator. But I swear as a spectator also अलग ही vibe है, अलग ही मजा है. अगर आपको पता है जोनल शाउट्स में गला फाड़ के चिल्लाना एंड देन डिस्ट्रिक्ट शाउट, दीज टू ऑनलाइन में कभी होता नहीं है, बट ऑफलाइन में आवाज बैठ बैठ के मजा आ गया.
I think Red has been very special to me and Sneha as well. Because हम लोग ने भी first time Red में we got really close and we also participated in dance. So it was very special to us as well. I think that's it from us. Thank you so much, Sandeep and Sameer, for joining us. It was really nice talking to you all.
Thank you.
You guys.
Thank you so much for having us here.